ALKT9803 hydraulic calibration platform. Pressure range 0 to 60 MPa. If other pressure ranges are required, they can be customized. It can calibrate instruments such as pressure gauges, transmitters, pressure sensors, etc. Next, let me introduce its structure and function. These three are pressure output ports used to connect the standard gauge and the inspected gauge. It can simultaneously verify multiple pressure instruments. This is the exhaust knob. When measuring pressure, open or release the knob. Turn off the exhaust knob when idle. This is a liquid storage cup, storing medium deionized water or calibration oil. This is a pressure rod that can easily create pressure. This is a shut-off valve that can be locked and maintained when the pressure is unstable stability of pressure. This is a pressure relief valve that closes when measuring pressure and opens when ending to release pressure. This is a filter that can filter out the calibration table when measuring pressure impurities and dirt generated during the process. At the same time, it is necessary to regularly clean the dirt and impurities in the filter. It can effectively extend the service life of the calibration bench. This is a fine-tuning valve that increases or decreases pressure within a small range. This is the drain port. Next, let's proceed with the injection process. Prepare the medium deionized water and syringe. First, unscrew the exhaust knob. Use a syringe to draw deionized water again, and then inject the deionized water into the storage cup. Repeat several times and inject enough deionized water. After the injection is completed, finally connect and tighten the exhaust knob. Next, let's proceed with the process of measuring pressure. We have installed the standard table and the inspected table. Check again if the unused output port plug is tightened to ensure that there is no pressure leakage during the pressure measurement process. Release the exhaust knob first. Open the shut-off valve again and loosen it half a turn. Do not loosen it too much, otherwise the sealing ring will be damaged when the pressure is high. Then open the pressure relief valve. Next, turn the fine-tuning valve to the left and stop if it cannot be adjusted. Use the pressure rod again to apply pressure and exhaust the air inside the calibration table instrument. Then close the pressure relief valve. Then use a pressure rod to apply pressure, and stop when the pressure reaches about 5 to 7 MPa or above. Close the shut-off valve again. Then use the fine-tuning valve to adjust to the calibration value of 20 MPa to the right. Then use the fine-tuning valve directly to adjust to the next calibration value of 40 MPa and 60 MPa. Next is the decompression process. Use the fine-tuning valve to reduce the pressure to 40 MPa to the left. Perform the same operation and reduce the pressure to the next calibration value of 20 MPa. Then slowly open the pressure relief valve, stop valve, release pressure to 0, and the measurement is complete. Finally, remove the standard table and the inspected table. Next, let's proceed with the process of draining the liquid. Tighten the exhaust knob first. Then use the tool to unscrew the drain nut. Take out the standard drain hose again. Then connect the drain hose to the drain port. Then take out the container again. Release the exhaust knob again to drain the liquid. After the drainage is completed, turn off the exhaust knob. Continue to unscrew the drain hose. Finally, connect the nut to the drain port and tighten it.